this video we're going to have a look at this this camera. It's a JVC GX-N70 colour Nuvoton camera from about 1983, I think. That's according to the service manual. That's what it says on service manual. It's got a few, well, it's got I think 2 faults, although they could be part of the same fault, I guess. Quite a good camera for a consumer camera. It's sort of quite a high-end model, I think, because it's got this this built-in keyboard. That's for, there's a titler, like on-screen titles you can put on, and there's like a timer, stopwatch, different features. You can change colours of the titles and whatnot. So I'll turn it on and we can see what the fault is, or fault. There's no picture. This text is in black and white, and there's like a picture. It's not because I've got lens cap on. If I take it off, you know, there's no difference. You'd be able to see tube warm up if, you know, like if iris were closed or something like that, you'd be able to at least see tube warm up. Now this text's in black and white, but if I zoom in, if I can focus it, you should be able to see dot crawl. You see dot crawl, so like you can tell from that there's colour information in the signal. I'll have a look at a video signal coming out of it on oscilloscope, and we'll see what it looks like. Right, so looking at this this video signal, you can see that there's a colour burst, and there's colour information there. It's black and white, but there's colour information, so there must be something wrong with it, like maybe it's wrong frequency or something. Right, we're now looking at a diagram of the vertical deflection, well, the deflection board, not just vertical, it's horizontal deflection as well. This chip, it's called the SSG chip. That's sync and subcarrier generator. That generates obviously the sync signal, the subcarrier, and this with the surrounding circuitry, all this stuff, generates all signals needed for driving the tube. So I think with it there being a with that no colour fault, I think there's going to be a fault sort of in this area, because how the colour for that text is created is it's just the subcarrier passed through well, there's different filters to like change the phase to get for different colours. We can see that it's getting through them filters and what have you. So like, I think either it's wrong frequency or something, you know, there's something wrong with it, which I think is going to be in this area. Also, I want to check that like the the deflection and everything for the tube is there. It's being generated, and that's this vertical drive and horizontal drive comes from this chip, and it goes through some amplification, and there's some filters and stuff for like shading compensation and things, and that creates the vertical and horizontal deflection signals. The other voltages for tube are generated in this circuitry as well. Like there's this tripler and this high voltage transformer that creates the like the different grid voltages and whatnot for the tube and the focus and everything, which I think they're all sort of derived from the horizontal drive. So I'll check that if we've got vertical and horizontal drive first, because if we've not got that, then we're not going to have anything else. So that's the first thing that I'm going to look at.